Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome to another Proto Tech Tip. I'm Allison, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to reorder your jobs in my account. In your busy workday, you're looking for every possible way to save some time, right? At Protocase and ProtoSpace Mfg, we understand that. That's why we love incorporating time-saving techniques to make your experiences with us even smoother. And one of the ways you can save time while working with us is by using My Account. You know, My Account has some really awesome features. If you're curious about the top ones, check out our blog, which covers 5 My Account features that will make your life easier when you work with us. We've added the link to the blog in the video description below. One cool feature is that you can reorder your previous orders in just minutes. And the best part, you don't have to go through the whole quoting and ordering process again. This cuts out all the back and forth with a Protocase or ProtoSpace Mfg Account Manager to place an order. Now, our account managers love helping you out, but you know what they enjoy even more? When you save time and make your workflow even smoother. I'm going to show you just how easy and quick the entire process is. So once you're logged into My Account, just head over to the Search Jobs function. There, you can check out all of your previous orders with Protocase and ProtoSpace Mfg. They're listed in reverse chronological order, so you can see the most recent one at the top. To make things easier for you on this page, we've got different colors for different types of jobs. For example, a reorder is shown in blue. You can search for your previous order by reference name, PO number, contact name, or job number. Also, if you ever want to see a list of all your previous reorders, just check Show Only Reorder Jobs box in the Search Jobs page. Once you've found the order you're looking for, just click Add to Cart. You'll notice that your order gets added to your shopping cart right away. And if you want, you can even reorder multiple past jobs at once. After adding the item to your cart, you'll proceed to the checkout page. Now, we understand that while you wish to reorder the same parts or enclosures again, there might be some changes you want to make to other aspects of the order. That's why we give you the option to make some edits to the details of your previous order. First up, you have the ability to change the service type. Sometimes you want an order manufactured and delivered to you as soon as possible, but there will be times when your project deadlines are more relaxed. That's why we give you the option to choose between priority service or economy service for each of your reorders. As you'll be able to see on the checkout page, the lead time for priority is 2 to 3 days, while for economy, it's 15 days. Next up, you can easily adjust the number of parts, panels, brackets, or enclosures you need for any of your orders under reorder quantity. We know that this number can change based on your project requirements. Sometimes you're just prototyping, and other times you might be ready to place a bigger order. That's why we give you the flexibility to choose. Similarly, you have the option to change your payment and shipping methods if you wish to. And make sure to double check all of the contact information on this page to ensure everything's up to date. If you need to make any changes, you can do it in no time. You can also just create a quote or a purchase requisition if you want to. Once you click on that option, you'll have successfully created a quote and it will be saved in the Quotes tab. Plus, you'll receive an email with all of the details, and if you'd like, you can even download a confirmation of your quote. Once you are satisfied with all of the information in your shopping cart, proceed to Submit Order. At this point, your order will head straight to manufacturing without needing any more approvals, so it's crucial you ensure all of the details you have entered are accurate. As you can see, this process is a huge time saver. Plus, you can reorder whenever you want, after hours, weekends, whatever you like. If you want further assistance on how to use My Account effectively, our account managers are always here to help. Just fill out the Contact Us form on our website, and your dedicated personal account manager will reach out to you. They'll then guide you through the reordering process in My Account and show you just how easy it is. Before I go, I want to remind you about some other awesome My Account features that can really simplify your workflow. Within My Account, you've got an instant quoter, a template generator, and the ability to view and approve e-drawings, and more. If you haven't signed up for My Account with Protocase or ProtoSpace Mfg yet, now's the perfect time. Trust me, you'll love all of the awesome features it has to offer. And that's all I have for you for this week's Proto Tech Tip. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and share this video. Until next time, Take care and keep innovating.